This 2022 East to West Alta 2800 kbh is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new East to West is 33 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, a CASHMERE interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, auxiliary battery, LP detector, microwave, leveling jacks, oven, awning, skylight, smoke detector, stove top burner, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 East to West Alta 2800 kbh is 7,069 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.